channel. Thank you for joining us, guys. We're back at it again. We're here on the beach. I got my line set up. We're doing some drop line fishing today. I might get a little bit of lure fishing in, guys. Not sure what kind of action is going to go on, but the wind's kicking up, so that might not look good. But stay tuned, guys. Let's see what we can pick up. I got the line set up. Anthony's here.
What's up, people?
That's right. Anthony set up real estate down that side. We in Trelawny, guys. We on the beach. The weather back in Movavi is horrible. So we just came back up this side to see if we can get a little bit more calmer waters. We definitely setting up. Geo's on his way down. Geo lives topside us where we're at right now. So lines are baited, ready to get out there in the water, guys. We are out there. They're gonna be in the way of the launch. I have to slow it down a bit, Anthony. Try not to launch and hit that guy on the boat. So, get this 3 ounce out there. I'm getting a hit already on one line, guys. Lines are all set, guys. Definitely out here, got these lines in. Set up. Anthony's down there. Geo just got on the block. You just set the line, dogs. You wanna go swim going though? Yep, maybe one's getting a hit. Yeah. Taking them on. Yes, people in the middle line, I get leaked. See what's up. They know I'm here now. Yep, there you go again. There you go again. Take out these shrimps out the sun so they don't spoil. Come on, something I mess with that line. They're wicked right now. Hitting it, but they're not hitting it hard enough. You set? You set? You bait tonight, cool line? Yeah. Doing a little bit of surf fishing.
Play one day.
That'll be nice.
You see that
what?
Fish big jump out just there.
Eh?
You see like one bird just jump too?
No, I didn't even see that. I missed it totally. I'm paying attention to the line.
Camera on.
Yeah, camera's on. Anyway, you see bird them I dive, I just say bait them there.
So fish jump right out this way.
Anyway, you see bird them there. Come on, guys. I got a big line I'm on check. The bait gone upon them there already, you know. Bait up on this still, man. That's why I don't want to check it and send it back out, because he never go out far, because I boat didn't have my way. When I bait, drop off the rest. But I'm not pulling it back, you know. I'm getting a hit on this one now. Long time I don't catch one big shot, you know. I have the local grill. Can I go and search for some fire tick? You hear me? Can I go and search for some fire tick? Can we roast up some blood clean fish or so today? Right, just up on the spot. You hear me? Yeah. Roast fish right, just up today.
Okay, good though.
Just go and get your line in the water, brother. Remember, say sea rough on the other day, so everything I calm down now, you know. Of course. I want 6 hook this, a bigger hook this, you know. I use this for bigger snapper them, because every time they bite on the one that hook them, then bend them up. So I don't want to take no check today. And then when I hook a good fish. Yeah, guys. So we are here. Laurie's planning on swimming. She's going to jump in the water in a bit. Enjoy herself today on the beach, guys. Empty hooks, bro.
Them down there, regular out them.
Yeah. Regular one-out hook these. I said hooks I prefer still. But in this place, you have to be careful. Big fish out here are big. So when they grab on, it's not normal. Probably I need to bait up about the big one. Well, guys, this is what's up. This is what we have planned for today. Whatever fish I catch today, we're roasting it right here on the beach. I don't even have no kind of utensils, nothing. What we basically gonna do is just catch and just roast on an open fire for lunch. Me and Anthony and Laurie today, guys. So we're gonna see what's up. Take a look at what Anthony's doing down here. What you doing, Anthony?
You know, man, tie up some rig right
Why
now.
does your bell look like that? Your bells look weird.
Yeah, because it's different. The other one different set. We have a swap here, so.
Oh, that's a line bell.
No, the tip. If it is like the ugly stick.
Oh,
like
the skinny tips. Yeah. Yeah.
So that's how that one going to say. But the other one, we have a portion of it.
Okay, I got shrimp in the thing if you need
Yeah,
shrimp.
we'll get some shrimp. And we have for, when we did it for the last time, we got fishing with the little guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Will give me 3 bell the other day.
They want one for them to tip it. You see, if you have rod, like when you have some rod, Jerry,
Yeah.
when the tip small, they might have step in enough.
Yeah, like the ugly stick.
Yeah, so we can give a couple of them one. We have a portion still.
Yeah.
But they can't fit for the fat one.
No.
Yeah.
Watch me, I watch the bell. Me, I watch the middle rod.
The bigger one will move.
Yeah.
I wonder if I wave a move.
Nah, man, a bite sitting a munch, but then a bite. Yo, you see that spot here? That spot here funny, you know. One day you know catch nothing, and one day you foot up your bucket, you know. I want funny spot in the river. More time the fish them a feed you, so wicked. But for me see bird them a dive, I know say bait fish there about. Huh?
Bird dive since not
See them there, so. See them there dive, look. A Geo with a link, Geo get some live shrimp from around, so. The fresh shrimp, like what we have in our bucket. Geo get the live one, them, you know.
right now.
I just, yo, boops, you just ask them to go around them. You say people up on the time, we can go around up on the other side, you know. What? Geo, come here. You couldn't ride some live shrimp in idea. You couldn't get some live shrimp in idea.
Could
Mm-hmm. Can you know the shortcut for ground there from around your side? Eh?
How do they do?
What happens to soldier crab?
That's what I want right now.
Right now.
Bucket full, big jeweler.
Max, me ask you that whole day I spend here, you know. Me have one bag of shrimp for cook, you know. Me don't roast them on the grill, you know, but if we don't know bait, then you don't have yard up here, so. Yeah. I will roast the shrimp them pan kebab. What you say, Gio? I run one pot. Not you? Yeah, man. Yo, peoples, we didn't plan none of this. This is all spontaneous happenings. We just said, we're going to get up this morning. We're going to go fishing this morning. On the way here, I linked Geo forward down. Me and Anthony's here throwing some line already. So basically what's going to happen is that we're going to run a boat. Yeah, we call that running a boat. We'll cook a pot on the beach and go some mats up a thing. Just spontaneous. No plans. So naturally, guys, we're fishing and we're just going to chill here for the day and just kick it. That's what's up. Jamaican shore fishing, guys. We are definitely out here. Big up yourselves. Here, guys. Nothing yet. Nil so far, guys. Nothing at all yet, guys. Have not picked up a single thing. Watching these lines. Yeah, guys, just checking these lines because we're getting some light hits. Nothing major. Haven't been up this side in a while. Geo likes it. I'm a killer off the beach, yes, man. I said I'm a murder at the beach, yeah. Fish-wise, fishing-wise. And I'm a net out the place, man. Eh? Boy. Here, guys, we're here with one link, Pablo, and we're doing with Geo and the rest of the crew from the weird bueno. Larvy's here, swinging on the swing. We got the lines set in the water, people. We have the boat and everything about the place. Lines are set over there. And Geo are on the boat today, guys. Geo cook the food. The rest of the rear bueno crew there, so. And wood fire over there, so. Geo line up the thing. You see me? Knife. Knife. Alright. Let me get a knife for Geo, people. I forget a knife for Geo. Yeah, guys. So we're there, so I cook some food on easy back on the beach. We're lying.
Yeah, we can't get the cutting board.
Cutting board? No, I'm not a cutting board with me, Geo. No. When I play it.
I brother when I back them on.
Gio, you want when I play it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, man, G. I send Larry for your bucket, you know. No, wait till after, you know, later. That's why I try to say, Anthony, I'm not rush to go back up because here we go on. We might not get none on the morning bite. That's why I'm not rush to use up the bait, you know. You see the evening bite now? That's a different ball game. Because that's when the snappers start running from underneath the dock coming out. Here guys, Laurie's enjoying her swing. What do you have to say to my viewers and subscribers today, Laurie? What do you have to say to my viewers and subscribers today? You don't know? That's bad. Yeah, man. Going in the kitchen, guys. You gotta line up some fold. That's it. Where's the Geo? Cuppings. That one active. Geo clean up the chicken peoples and doing things outside of it, now, guys. So, remember, so we don't have the kitchen utensils and certain things, so we gotta do it anywhere we can. You see it? Natural vibes. Where's the guys? Natural vibes. As Gio would say, brawling. That's right. So this is Jamaican lifestyle, guys. That's how we live. Yes. Anywhere we go, guys. Hey, the reason why none of these lines are reset back yet, because the bite time is technically at 2 o'clock. It's now just going on to 12. So rather than waste bait, just wait and then reset back the line around 1:30, 2 o'clock. Send them back out when the fish come out and active. So we study the charts based on the moons and how it work. You see me?
Yo, the knife I cut you bone in the brother.
Knife is sharp, you fat. You ever touch you? Afraid of it? I feel me one knife, I'm afraid of it. That's what it's for, filleting fish.
Catch a junker and cut up a junker.
Hell no.
I'm gonna put PSCs in front of him and say, yo, junker still frozen.
But
I don't want to cook it and say, yo, be tough, brother. If junker be black, brother, black.
Jamaican junker.
Yeah.
Jamaican man.
Yeah.
Me not run them the joke there.
I run them out big, brother.
Eh? Yo, you so hungry? Hungry is a thing we talk to you differently, you know. Make men do things that they would never think they would ever do. Say water change color. Alright, make it ever calm down smooth. Here we are going on now. It's like how the wave them come and rough up the sun. Or like crustaceans come up top. Or like shellfish them, the crab them, the baby lobster them and all them little things that come up top. So the jackfish them come in. The snapper them come in. And they want to feed now. You see me? Buck up in our shrimps from the hook. Yeah. But me just watch it still. Because a whole heap of time there and them conditions right now. And I get some rotted size snapper. When them there so I catch on 3 pound snapper. I remember I night did even Geo. Big old snapper when I catch. Enough time me and Geo there so I full up my cooler. Empty it out and full it up back again. Yes guys, put up on a fire and Gio play with the thing.
Nah man, I see that.
Breeze a blow harder and harder. I take up the line, you know. Breeze a get wicked people while we are seasoning up chicken. Yeah man, that's right there. What? Eh? Then when we put the shrimp in there where we used to be at. Can't get some fish. A fish we are aiming to catch, you know. We hope to catch fish. She was here line up the pot. Some curry chicken here, cook up in idea, guys. And we're up on the beach. Anthony has set him line on the south, hard up on the swing. But let's go and hold a local vibes with the crew. And easy back. You see it? My lines them done this for people. Now I'm pull up the line and reset the line because the bait them most likely 99% gone. But because me I wait for the buy time, 2 o'clock, it don't make no sense. So I'm just going to ease it back. You see it? Jamaican shore fishing, guys. We are out here, guys. I'm gonna reset these lines that's sitting down there now. Got some shrimp. Get this line out there and see what we can pick up. Jamaican shore fishing, guys. We are out here. But let me get these bait over to where I'm going and get these lines reset. Line's been out there for a while, guys. So set these down here for a second and then get these lines in one by one and get them set back again, guys. I'm sure they're empty. Nothing's on them. Yep, empty as usual. Let's see what's up. Let's get this next one in. Can't get fish if your lines are empty. What's up? Yep, this one's empty too. Empty hooks, guys. That's what's up. Let's get this next one in. Alright, so let's get these lines baited back up and get them back out. Alright, guys. Get one line out here. Get it past that yellow thing right there. One bait fell off. I'm not going to pull that back in, guys. See if we can get this one out. Lines are set, guys. What's up?
Chicken fucking I see you, man.
That's it. You guys want to leave this? Lines are set. Watch my lines, them. Yeah, Geo got the pot running over here.
What we did? Oh, when the first side there, put them.
One of my lines are going off. No, for Larry. One of my lines going off. Fish on. Fish on, guys. Damn. Uh-huh. Fish on. That's right. That's what's up. Making sure fishing. That's what's up. Bap, 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 bap. One down, guys. This is what's up. Here, Laurie, go give it to Geo. Yeah. Hold it. You hold it. Good. On. Lines are set again, guys. This has got me a fish. That's what's up. High five. That's what's up. Doing some curry chicken and shrimp. And I roast 2 shrimp on the side for Larry because I don't want Larry get raw while we're there up on the beach. You see it? I make sure she alright still. You see me? People's I just caught a fish. I just caught a fish. For there's a roast, for there's a root soup. You see me? Look when I was next there. My God. Larry, no ground there. Look at that. Who? Larry, you? My God, you'd have been hurt today. Larry, come hold this. Hold on there again. I fish me and look, man. Look, they're right there. Yeah, that's why I put it. Yo, you're fat. What? Yo, I move fast and I'm not hit, you know. You know, some jump wall. We're good, baby. We're good. There's on the shrimp and the chicken there cook. Nice one. Oh, I this me to call you for, baby. Sorry. I'm supposed to ready already, you know. Try. Try. Try now. Shrimp not take long for cooking, no. How you doing? Yo. I want the same one. Eh? Want to roast some more, Larry? Are you good? You sure you don't want to roast more? Alright. That's right, I'm good, man. I roast some, man. Good? Yeah? Geo curry shrimp and I take them out. Hey, my you shouldn't have Geo not easy, you know. Geo want them off all that shrimp then before the blood clean pot done, you know. Cover up the pot, man. Make the pot go and bubble. Where is it? Active. Yeah. See that?
Done.
Yes, I. Straight out of the water. Straight in the pot, people. That's how we deal with the thing. Yeah, we're not around with the thing, people. Jamaican shore fishing. We out here, guys. Natural vibes. Catch him 2 seconds ago, guys. Look at that. Pot the on fire. Bubble with him already. That's it. Yeah, you are sure to know, people. Yeah, man. Up on the beach with them, man. Nothing, no kitchen, nothing. No water. I just do what we have. Roots. And Ghana Road. We have to share out rice in park. I feel laughing at people. But Geo, I'm never bust when I plate in a half and just go so. I mean split in a half, fold in a half, and take up the rice.
So make it flip over for you.
No man, you're mad. Just fold it, yeah, and just take up the rice. Yeah. Bang bang. Look at that. Sir working on the tea. I hate that. You're good.
You know them?
No man, I'm good, man. Chicken now, I'm good.
Hold on, bro. Half forward.
Good like that, man. Give me some gravy.
And I'm chicken.
You want one piece? I'm good. Some gravy.
At least we can.
Right, that's good.
Hold on there. Fathers. None ready. Come in.
Get up the slime up in that plate.
Yes, I. We'll like a plate of some curry chicken, people. And no say all rocks. Yes, man. Fishing with them. Just massive pot while we're on the beach. And they're going easy with the fellas. Come on, eat some food and go. Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yo, Gio, no share with yourself now. Don't share with yourself now.
What I mean by?
Hmm?
What I mean by?
Don't share all that food and left none for yourself.
Ah,
Yeah, that's
you mean to leave something?
yeah. Back. What that, man? Mm. Fresh fish.
That dog is hungry.
Yeah.
No, I'm gonna give him the bone.
Gio, no good? Good, man. Alright. You good? Where's the dog?
Okay, I mash him up already, man.
What? Come. Good puppy. Yeah, guys. I just ate. Laurie's still eating. Big up to Gio, the chef. I said Gio, the boss. Gio put it out today, and Gio made something happen out of nothing. And big up to all our friends, and we're there. And see Gio father has a pong. Big up to pong. Pong.
Pong father.
And pong father. Look here. Gio father and pong father. My God. Look at this. Daddy, bless up yourself. You know, say, I look at chillings over there. And Gio chef up some food. Look here, look how much people are eating. And Gio chef up the whole thing, brother.
So we're gonna get
One fish and he go in the pot. And me say, no, but you know, say the buy time of from 2 o'clock to 4. I'm shore fishing. We're changing locations. We're changing location again, guys. Round on the beach front, get look a bit windy and look rough. You know, so 2 o'clock I buy time to 4 o'clock. So we all change. One link on them is back there. Gio and the rest of the team is this way. Laurie this way. Wait up for them. Don't leave them. Cause them don't know them way.
Where you go put it?
I am first time I come around here now.
Where you go put it?
Come on, I'm good man. Come in. You know which fish this rad kill? Me blood. Tell me Gio, you use and kill how much fish? Yeah. Well, that was a nice vibes on the beach, you know. Nah, tell you a lot. I love that vibes. That was beautiful. Jamaican shore fishing here, guys. That was it. It's been a long day, guys. We've been on the hunt all day and not much, but it is what it is, guys. Happy New Year. Pick up yourself. We are out here, guys. Enough love.